This is Ice Cream Gecko, and in today's video we are going to take a look at Dr. Pepper Strawberries and Cream. I have just seen this, well, the other day at my local Globus, and that was the first time that I've actually seen this in my entire life. This Dr. Pepper Strawberries and Cream. It's a very interesting looking can. It is different from what I would expect from Dr. Pepper to put out as a flavor combination. So yeah, I'm intrigued by this, and therefore I bought it to review it. Now, let's zoom in on the can here. Pause if you want to take a look at the ingredients list right there in German. And pause if you want to take a look at the nutrition table right there. Anything on the bottom? Not really. Okay, without further ado, let us crack open the can. Nice fizz. Oh, scent-wise, there's a very pleasant, rich strawberry scent to it. Yeah, it smells like a strawberry cake. Oh, it does smell really nice. A mix of like a strawberry cake and strawberry marmalade. And strawberry bonbons or strawberry lollipops maybe. It tastes, it smells wonderfully. So let's pour some into the glass right here. It just looks like, well, regular Dr. Pepper, I guess. It's got this brown tint to it. Looks like cola. Scent from the glass is still quite strawberry-like. Doesn't smell as good though as it does from the can. Maybe they engineer the scent sort of to be consumed out of the can, not out of the glass. Out of the glass it does smell a bit more artificial than out of the can, if you would believe it. Reminds me a lot more of these strawberry and cherry lollipops, the mini ones that you can get. It's fine though, yeah. Scent-wise it's fine. Fizz-wise, when you crack open the can, it's fine. Looks-wise, it's fine. Let's go for a taste test. Okay, taste of Dr. Pepper. I guess there's a bit of a strawberry flavor to it, but it feels like the heavy lifting, strawberry-wise, is being done by the scent and not so much by the taste. Yeah, it does taste of Dr. Pepper, I guess, but certainly not as much as you would expect in terms of strawberry flavor. Not when you have the strawberries and cream. The scent is wonderful though. From the can it feels like you've got maybe even a bit more of that cherry flavor. To me, Dr. Pepper always tasted a bit more cherry-like. The strawberry, it is there, I suppose. But just like, apologies, but just like I mentioned earlier, the scent of strawberry is a lot stronger than the flavor of strawberry with the Dr. Pepper Strawberries and Cream drink. But I guess it's there. Yeah, I guess it's there. I have to say, overall, I do like this. It's certainly nothing that I expected to see at my local Globus when I went to the drinks section at some point during this particular week. But it was a welcome surprise, and I wanted to record a review this weekend finally, but I didn't really know what to do. So yeah, a drink was a welcome surprise, and certainly the Dr. Pepper Strawberries and Cream was a very welcome sight. When it comes to the actual drink itself, though, I have to say that I'm a bit disappointed when it comes to that strawberry flavor. I expected a bit more strawberry flavor from the strawberries and cream themed Dr. Pepper than there was. Scent-wise, it is very pleasant, though. I don't have much to complain about it in that regard. So, apologies again for that little burp. That wasn't really sounding like a burp. It's very difficult to drink this sort of stuff, like drink almost an entire can, and not let any gas out the mouth hole, I suppose. Let me know in the comment section whether or not I should cut this out in the future. I do like videos with as few cuts as possible, so I always try to have these drinks reviews being recorded in just one go and clip off the very start of the video and the very end maybe. So in total though, I'm giving this particular drink a 6.5 out of 10. I appreciate its flavor. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. I appreciate it. I think it's nice. I really enjoy the scent of this, but I have to say that the flavor just wasn't there as I expected it to be there, which is a bit unfortunate, and therefore I can't really give any more points than that. That would be unfair to the drinks that actually deliver on both scent and flavor. And on that, I think it is time to end this particular video. If you have got a question or a video suggestion, leave it in the comment section down below. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, feel free to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I'm going to see you soon. Until then,